Hey guys, welcome to Ghana Near Photography. My name is Don Alabi. First of all, I would like to say a big thank you to all my subscribers and everyone watching this video. You guys have been fantastic. You guys have been so fantastic. Thank you very much for taking time to watch my videos. You guys make it possible for me to make a new recording all the time. Thank you very much. Now, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do so by clicking on the subscribe button and hitting the bell button so you get notified anytime I post a new tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll take you through how to whiten teeth the easy way and very fast. Now, if we look at this image, I have already raw processed it in Capture One as usual. So as you can see, the teeth is a bit discolored. Now, this is very normal. You can have somebody with the whitest teeth, but after a picture has been taken, because of the temperature of light falling on the person, we have some kind of teeth discoloration. So we are going to fix this in Photoshop. Now let's export this to Photoshop. Bam. Okay guys, so we are in Photoshop. Now if you look at this image, it's straight out of camera. Apart from the raw processing, I haven't done any retouching yet. So as I keep saying, once you're taking a picture, just try and get it as close as the end result as possible so that you don't have to spend so much time in post-processing. This image looks fantastic to me. Just a few touches here and there, and it's perfect. So today we are focusing on the teeth. Now before then, I'll be doing a full series on using this panel, Retouching Academy, for full retouching from frequency separation, dodge and burn, skin tones correction, working on the eyes and all that. So just stay tuned. I will post a link as soon as I'm done so that you guys can follow up. Now I already have a tutorial on how to raw process the headshot, so I'll add the link in the description as well, and also it should appear up there. Yes, that's it. You can just click on and then get to that tutorial. Now back to this. Now what we are going to do here is I'm going to use the adjustment layer, two adjustment layers to get the teeth white. First of all, let's go here and use the hue and saturation. Now there are certain colors that make the teeth discolored. First one is yellow, and sometimes also red. So we are going to work on yellow first. So we take it and then we desaturate it. Now by doing that, we realize there isn't much yellow in it. It's affecting the whole image, but then don't worry, we will restrict it later. Now let's focus on just the teeth for now. So if we desaturate it, it's affecting the yellows in the teeth. So we can just do all the way. Now you don't need to desaturate it totally, because every teeth has some, we should have natural colors, not necessarily fully white, but then we should have some. And then with this also, I see there are some reds in there, so we can go to red also and then try desaturate. So as you can see, as I predicted, there are some reds in there, so we just desaturate to maybe somewhere here 30. So we leave it like that. And then the second adjustment layer to use is the brightness and contrast. So we just move the brightness up. Yes, as I said, it's affecting the whole image, but let's just focus on the teeth. Somewhere here I think it's okay. So what we need to do now is to group these two layers. So press shift, press and hold shift, and then select the second layer, so it select both. Then we just come to this icon here, and then it groups it. So I'll just rename it to teeth. That's it. So let's expand this, and we have these two here. So when we disable, see, over here. Now we don't want the effect applied to the whole image, so we are going to create a layer mask right here. This is the layer mask on the folder. Now I decided not to use these the individual layer masks here, so that we can have something universal. So we just have to do the painting just once, not on individual layers. So we just create a layer mask and then fill it with black. So let's say command and then delete on Mac will just automatically fill it with black. So you see the effect is gone because black negates. And now we are going to use a white brush to reveal what we just did. So with the white foreground selected, let's just select the brush tool. Then I'll leave the flow at 50%, opacity 100%. Then we start. It should be a soft brush. Yes, a soft brush. Hardness 0, so that the transitions at the end will be very, very smooth. So with this, we start painting. As you can see, the tip is becoming white. It's not magic. I'm using a Wacom tablet, the Intuos Pro small, so it makes my brushing easy. You guys should try as much as possible to get a Wacom tablet. Well, it doesn't necessarily have to be a Wacom tablet. Any tablet that makes your retouching faster, it's encouraged. But then I use a Wacom, and just by the way, Wacom haven't sponsored this video, so you guys shouldn't think I'm just saying it because I've been paid to do so. No, I use Wacom and I love it. So I will encourage all of you to get one. So yes, by just rough brushing is what we have. So we can do a quick before and after. So let's just zoom out to 50%, then do before and after. If you realize the effect is too much, then you just use the opacity to just turn it down. So you see, before and after. So this is at 100%. Let's say it's too much for us, so we need to somewhere 78% before and after. So once you're done with that, you just save. And if you go back to Capture One, it will have the new one. So this is, if we select both, then zoom in, you can see the difference. This is before, this is after. So guys, so soon we've come to the end of this tutorial. I hope this has been informative for you, and I would like to thank you for watching.